Welcome to Guide Git. I know you want to know how to block reels on Instagram, but I'm gonna be honest with you. There's no official way to completely block or disable Instagram reels for a personal account. However, you can reduce how many reels you see by adjusting your activity and preferences. So what you're gonna do is that just go on top right corner, and from here scroll down, and under what you see, click on content preferences, click on reset suggested content, and here click on next and just reset your suggested content. Also, you can click on sensitive content, and here make sure you have selected less, so you will see less overstimulated content. It's mostly based on the account you follow, the people you follow, and the content you see. So there's no officially way to completely block or disable Instagram reels. However, if you want, you can use some third-party apps, but I wouldn't recommend it. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching.